Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the Driver Mod. My name is Anthony. This is my 2016 Lizard Green GT350. And today we're going to be doing a little wheel cleaning demonstration using the brake bomber from Stealth Garage. We've got a set of forge lines on the car. We've got a set of forge lines off the car. We're going to be cleaning the ones off the car at the moment. So as you can see right here, hand completely clean. Well, just look at that. All four of these wheels are going to get spotless after we're done with this. And that's all thanks to the brake bomber from Stealth Garage. All you're going to need is water, some brake bomber, a microfiber, and if you got it, a pressure washer. But if you don't have it, it is not necessary. Here we go. Now, if you'd like to order yourself some brake bomber, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can just buy it off Amazon like I did. It is non-acidic, so it's fine to use on painted wheels such as these forge lines. We used it on our 2024 Mustang with gloss black wheels over there. Worked fantastic. We've done it on the Fusion. These wheels, all these spokes, these are a pain to clean, but look what a great job it did. Check out that video so you can see what these things look like, especially in these tight areas, so you can see what the brake bomber did. Today we're working on some track wheels. Let's get started. Now the first step is super easy. You're just going to rinse the wheels down to get all that loose debris off the top of the surfaces. Just get some water and just completely soak these things. Once you got them nice and soaked down, you're just going to take the brake bomber and spray it all over all of the surfaces. We'll be flipping these over to do the barrels as well, because these are track wheels, so the inside of these barrels is coated as well. Just gonna spray it on and let it sit there for 30 seconds to a minute. If you leave it on a little longer, that's not gonna harm the surface. Also, if you get on the paint of your car, it's not gonna ruin the paint. Just get it off there when you wash them down. So once you get a nice thick coat of the brake bomber on the wheels, again, let it sit there for 30 seconds to a minute. And then you're gonna grab your water and wash them down and wipe them off with a microfiber, or if you've got a pressure washer, which we do, all you're going to simply do is pressure wash it off and they'll come out nice and clean. All right guys, here we go, pressure washing. You can just see the dirt being displaced by the brake bomber as we pressure wash it off. All right guys, freshly pressure washed, here we go. Dang. Heck yes. Wow, that worked. Holy crap. All right, we're gonna do the barrels of these now. We're not gonna record that, but like you just saw, super easy. 5 minutes, and you're gonna have all four of your wheels cleaned in no time. So again, shout out to Brake Bomber. Get yourself some in the link below. Linked on Amazon. This is a 32-ounce bottle, and like you just saw right there, it literally sheds brake dust off your wheels. And for cars like these, I know a lot of people complain about the brake dust that they make. Well, when you can clean your wheels that easy, it doesn't become that much of a hassle now, does it? So, thanks for watching, guys. Drop some comments, let me know if you felt my pain, and here's the solution to your guys' pain. Later, guys.